Can Pro Heating and Gallery. HVAC systems in Navin can be vastly different from building to building. Fortunately, being able to work on diverse HVAC setups is one of Can Pro Heating's core strengths, and we're proficient with both commercial and residential settings. Our talented technicians have the experience to understand your particular HVAC needs and the ability to provide the best possible solution efficiently and effectively. For Navin HVAC installations and repairs, call Can Pro Heating at 204-235-0611. For more information, please visit our website, www.canprogallery.ca, or contact us through phone, 204-235-0611. You can visit our office, 1 Navin Place, Navin, Manitoba R5T0C6, Canada. Can Pro Heating and Gallery.